Do I want to break into a dead guy's apartment? Sounds like an afternoon.
This is Selena Gomez, a Grammy-nominated pop artist known for her acting roles in Wizards of Waverly Place, Spring Breakers, the Hotel Transylvania franchise, and she produces and stars in the Hulu comedy series Only Murders in the Building.
So, Oliver and Charles, what do you talk about?
Murder, mostly. And how to connect to Bluetooth. We talk about that a lot.
But way before she rocketed to fame, it all started with a big purple dinosaur. Selena's first role was as Gianna in 13 episodes of Barney and Friends.
I hope your wish comes true, Barney.
Selena continued to work as a child actor with brief appearances in Spy Kids 3D Game Over and the TV movie Walker, Texas Ranger Trial by Fire. But things began to shift when she dipped her toes in the wonderful world of Disney. She played a love interest in an episode of The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, an obnoxious pop star in 3 episodes of Hannah Montana.
Hey, what's up? It's Hannah Montana. What would you like to give? I'd like to give you singing lessons. Just heard your new single. Ouch.
And finally made her breakthrough as Alex Russo, a sarcastic, free-spirited daughter in a family of wizards on the Emmy-winning series Wizards of Waverly Place.
Awesome. I'll be done in like 5 minutes. Mom and Dad will never... That's a little cleaner than I was going for.
During her stint on Wizards, in addition to winning the Kids' Choice Award for Favorite TV Actress 5 years in a row, and providing voice work for Horton Hears a Who, she starred as an aspiring dancer in Another Cinderella Story. The film also featured 3 songs sung by Selena, which kicked off her music career. After appearing in a feature-length film of Wizards of Waverly Place, and starring in some family-friendly comedies like Ramona and Beezus and Monte Carlo, Selena took a dramatic turn when she starred as Faith, a religious teenager uneasy with her friend's drug-fueled crime spree in the drama Spring Breakers.
This is not what we came here for. We came here to have fun and we came here to, party.
Also in the same year, Selena voiced Mavis Dracula in the first film of what would become the wildly successful Hotel Transylvania franchise.
Humans are awful. They were everything you said. They wanted to bite my toes.
Your toes.
And they had garlic on bread.
What?
As Selena's career as a pop star continued to skyrocket, she starred in a wide collection of comedies, dramas, and she even played herself explaining the complexities of collateralized debt obligations in The Big Short.
I'm on a winning streak. Everybody in this place wants to get in on the action. How could I lose, right?
More recently, Selena made a triumphant return to episodic work and garnered critical acclaim for her performance as Mabel Mora.
I mean, a murderer probably lives in the building, but I guess old white guys are only afraid of colon cancer and societal change.
An artist and true crime enthusiast who teams up with these 2 amigos to start a podcast and solve a murder in Only Murders in the Building.
My whole life has been defined by this crap. Death. Walking around blood. I'd like to try and be an artist.
From her early days on the Disney Channel to feature films and an award-winning series, Selena Gomez has carefully built herself an eclectic empire filled with massive hit songs, memorable characters, and a finely tuned instinct for successful projects. Her talent and career is truly nothing short of magic.